Wow, wow, wow. I am so excited to start this video journey that I'm going to be on until my 33rd birthday on March 2nd. I'm Tanya Peluso, the CEO of Tribal Truth, and I am stepping out into the candlelight. And I have been launching Tribal Truth, but really I have been behind Tribal Truth, and really this is my rebirth and my transformation of becoming the butterfly coming out of the cocoon. And I just stepped out of massage, so I'm feeling amazing. You could see me in my new home. I've literally been through probably the three hardest things that people go through in the past month: death, divorce, and moving. And I'm feeling so alive, so amazing right now because I'm in my body. So really this is the launch of me, of my brand, of my identity, of who am I, and what has been my process over the past 3 years of being the CEO of Tribal Truth. And really I look at this as the launch of The Truth About Sex, Money, and Sisterhood, the book that I'm writing, and the launch of The Art of Co-Creative Leadership, and really about the embodiment and the full self-acceptance and full love and compassion of myself, of honoring both the feminine and the masculine within me. And so what has been my process over especially the past week of really discovering my new feminine and being able to actually feel that shift within my body of when I'm leading from that feminine place or when I'm leading from my masculine place, but it's not that one is better than the other. And so really this is an opportunity for you to come on a journey with me where I'm going to be disclosing my process, disclosing my I'm very transparent, so my vulnerable story and all of the things that I have been learning up to this point. And what I'm looking at is as I'm creating the Who is Tanya Peluso, it's incorporating movement and full self-expression and my spiritual practice and taking care of my well-being and practicing business. So there's all these different facets, and it's really about integration. How do I bring all of that together, and how do you bring all of that together so that you can be inspired and empowered in your leadership? Because you are a leader just as much as I am, whether that's the leader of your life, your family, your community, the world. There's different aspects of leadership, and really the co-creative part of leadership where you get to co-create with the divine. And that's my journey, and that's what I want to take you on a journey with me for the next few weeks. And so this is the start. This is the introduction, the hello, the welcome, because all will be revealed over this. And I'm really excited because it's all so unknown of like what is going to come out of me and what am I going to discover about myself as I'm really diving into what has been my process, what have been the tools and the training that I've gone through over the past 3 years. So welcome. I would love to hear from you. Leave a comment of what is really inspiring you about this. What have you heard so far? And I would love some love because this is taking a lot from me. It feels vulnerable, it feels raw, it feels like, you know, this new level of visibility for myself. And as transparent, as much of a truth teller as I am on the Tribal Truth blog, this is going just a step deeper into it. And there's a revealing that you know, it's a little edgy. I'm about living on the edge, and so the next few weeks of this video journey will be about keep pushing that edge. How edgy can I get? So leave a comment. Really want to hear from you. Encourage me. You know, that's how I would love your support, and for you to really look at that of How would you like to be supported in this journey? What are some of the things that would have you feel supported? I'll see you tomorrow.